Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
Do this when one video performs well. I've made a lot of videos, okay? I'm at over 5,000 subscribers. I'm producing on a niche right now. I haven't branched out yet. Within the next 5 years, I should be sitting at around 200,000 subscribers, and this isn't my only channel, but we're growing slowly. This is according to Social Blade projections. I'll show you that later on so you can do it with your channel, but look at this. I made one video on Halifax, Nova Scotia. I called it Moving to Halifax, Nova Scotia, made it in my apartment really quickly, and look at this, 34,000 views in a year, which isn't, massive growth, but I said, hey, you know what? One video did well, it's on Halifax. I'm going to produce my next video on Halifax. And look at that one, 22,125 views. These are my most popular uploads. Now, these are some other videos that are trending and that ranked pretty well. But all of my best performing videos are also now about Halifax. Look at this, Halifax, why I'm leaving, 1,742. Universities in Halifax, Cape Breton, 1,183. Dalhousie University, 2,205. So all of my Halifax videos are actually performing the best. And if we delve into my analytics for a little bit, you'll actually be able to see that my best performing videos are all about Halifax. These are scheduled to upload. They're not actually uploaded yet. But as you can see, I'm getting 62,000 watch minutes, 26,000 views a month. And I'm not, committing my whole life to growing this channel. Like you can see, I'm doing Udemy, I'm doing so many things on the side. But do this when one video performs well. Like I said, juice it for all it's worth. And this is what I'm talking about. Look at this, Halifax. This is on Canada, but it's closely related to the niche. This was a very good video, so it gained a lot of watch time. But Halifax, international students moving to Halifax. If you want to move to Halifax. See, these are my top 10 videos are all about cheap things to do in Halifax. Dalhousie University is a university in Halifax. I have 400 videos are not all about Halifax. But you know what? So many people are watching the Halifax videos because I juiced that for all it's worth. And let me show you something. If you look up Halifax, I am on the front page right here. Okay? So Halifax, look, this video on the front page. What happens if you look up Halifax, Nova Scotia? Look, I'm third for Halifax, Nova Scotia. Bam, another one of my videos. I don't think you're going to see more of my videos. Oh, there's my other video on Halifax. Here's another video on Halifax. Here's another video on Halifax. Here's another video of mine on Halifax. Another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, another one. These are all getting over 500 views. So this is the micro niche I'm talking about. This is super small. You don't have to do, another one, another one. I have so many videos on Halifax. This is deliberate. This is the growth strategy. It's bulletproof that I've been talking to you about. And sure, yeah, I haven't grown to 2 million subscribers, but for channels that I have that produce higher quality content, and high quality is good, but you shouldn't sacrifice high quality for quantity at the beginning. Quantity is more important. It gets less important later on. So if you actually see how much I've wrote here, it's pretty incredible. I'm making about $40 a month. Not awesome, but like I have other revenue streams. I sell courses on here, and it's growing. I mean, 5 days ago, I just hit 5,000 subscribers 6 days ago. I'm nearly at 5,100. That's 100 subscribers in a week. So I'm starting to grow faster. So for those of you who are trying to crack your first few thousand, this is going to do it for you. And I know you can do it. So that's what I mean by when one video performs well, juice it for all it's worth. Keep creating it. That is the real life example and proof I have to show you.